Hello dudes and dudettes once again. Sorry for the crappy angle and everything, I'm still new to all this. And before I forget, comment, rate and subscribe if you want to. I'm going to do another cover of it. Hang on a minute. There we go. I'm going to try do part 2 of How to Play Crazy Train because I've only just noticed it was like half done because my camera came out, ran out of battery, so here we go. I'm going to try and make it better this time. So anyway, move a bit, turn you here, there we go. Right, so what we have so far, so it's all on second, it's to the second fret, so and basically what you do after you've learnt that lick, you work your way back down. So after you've basically after each hit on the A string, you hit it with another E. So and that's basically the first part of it, the first part of the intro. Well, yeah, that you need to try and learn like. Then it's then open A. Sorry, I'll try and angle this right. I'm still kind of new to this, so don't be too mean. But after you've done the last E string, you go to the A string and it's 2 and open. So well, I'll do it this way so you can see it easier. And I'll play it all the way through slow, then I'll put the last part on for you. So you need to get really good with your finger stretches. Try and learn the scale as much as you can, because that is going to develop you and help your fingers stretching, obviously. And after you've done 2 and open on the E string, it's 3, 4 and 5 on the E. So 4 and 5 on the low E. So